Okay, I'm using the online compiler, okay, for the Python. Alright, I'm a bit lazy to uh, launch everything in my PC. Okay, so I have already selected the Python 3 as the language, and I want to cover a little bit about the array, which in some case students prefer to call it list. Actually, they are not exactly the same, but I believe you can see it that way. So in order to declare an array, right, you treat it like a variable, but you use the block bracket. Then since array can handle uh, multiple value at the same time, separate it by comma. So you have a comma here. Okay. So what I want to do now is I want to show the array. All right. So one very easy way is to just print that particular array. In this case is this list. All right. But I also have three other print, okay, for their indexes, just to highlight that the array start from the index 0. Okay. So I'm just going to execute this, run this, and I have my output here. Okay, so the first line actually is the print this list. All right, that's the first line. It print out the entire array itself. Okay, but when I print the index 0, I get the first element. Okay, if I print the index 1, I get the second one, and if I print the index 2, I get the third one. Okay, so basically you have to always keep in mind that array in Python start from index 0. It's a very common mistake to make, but just keep in mind, right? Then everything else will be quite okay.